Hello friends. Today I want to clear you what we meant by political theories. Why do we need the political theories? What's their significance? So basically any constitution for that matter basically tries to establish a relationship between the people and the state. A balance between the freedom and the power. Freedom to whom? Freedom to its people. Power to state. So, if we see any political theory, their aim is basically to establish this relationship. There can be variety of theories. For example, on one extreme hand, we have a theory which advocates for entire power to the state, unlimited power to the state, but don't want to give any freedom to its people. On one extreme hand, we have a theory which advocates for ultimate freedom to the people but don't want to give any power to the state. So basically, any constitution, any political theory is meant to establish a relationship between the people and the state, between the freedom and the power. So we can see that on the extreme left hand side we have anarchism, and on the extreme right hand side we have dictatorship. So any political theory, if you see, they will definitely lie in between these two with various degree of freedom and power to the state. So if we try to draw it on a line, then we can see that on the one extreme hand we have anarchism, where entire freedom is given to the people, unlimited freedom to the people, and the state don't have any power. On extreme right hand side we have dictatorship, where entire power lies with the state. They have unlimited power and people don't have any freedom. So if we move from left hand side towards right hand side, first we will find individualism. So it advocates for some power to the state, and freedom of the people is bit reduced from what we see in anarchism. Similarly, if we start towards liberalism, then freedom of people is decreasing and power of state is decreasing. So while moving from left hand side to right hand side, we will see that the freedom of people is reducing and power of the state is increasing. Individualism, liberalism, utilitarianism, idealism, communism, dictatorship. So these all are political theories which are trying to establish a relationship between the people and the state, between the freedom and the power. And no political theory can be accurate, can be acceptable to all. So different countries have their different way of thinking. Some country prefer communism, some country prefer secularism, some country prefer dictatorship. So it's a very subjective point of view for every country. So this is all about the political theory. Hope you get the idea that I want to convey, how the political theories establish the relationship between the people and the state. And we should have this type of knowledge because we are living in a global world where everything is connected. So we should know that what type of theory is used in which country. Moreover, what's the significance of any theory? After all, why we need the theory? So I hope you must have got some idea of why we need any political theory. So thank you friends.